Hello all, this is Mekalavashit Reddy from AIML C section of CSE branch and pursuing my BTech at Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. Today I am going to present you a presentation on string operations which is a topic explained clearly in string concepts such that let us dive deep into the topic. So, let us all know firstly about index or what are the topics we are going to be discussing in this presentation. So, what is a string? What is the basic definition of a string? And a, a basic description of a string and some of the operators which are going to be helpful in the operations are done on strings, which are assignment operator, concatenate operator, string repetition operator, string slicing operator, string comprehension operator, membership operator, escape sequence operator, string formatting operator. So, these are the concepts which are going to be discussed in our present presentation. So, what is a string? Basically, like many other popular programming language, strings are basically a data types in Python. String is basically a data type which is represented by co by apostrophes which are kept at beginning and ending of a string such that these strings are basically represented with either apost- single apostrophe or double apostrophe. However, Python doesn't have a character data type. A single character is simply a string with a length of one square bracket. 1. Square bracket can be used to access elements of a string, which is basically string slicing, which we are going to be discussed further. So, for example, let us say a basic programmer's code, which is a equal apostrophe begins hello, comma, world, exclamation, apostrophes. Print a 1 which is going to be E. So this is a basic example for a string. So let us dive deep into the topic. Now, what are the types of operation? Basically, what is a type, or let us say what is an operation? In Python, string operators represent the different types of operations that can be employed on programs strings type of variable. Python allows several string operations that can be applied on Python string are as below: assignment operator, concatenate operator, string repetition operator, string slicing operator, string comparison operator, membership operator, escape sequence operator, string formatting operator. So let us dive deep into this concept by discussing about assignment operator. Python string can be assigned to any variable with an assignment operator which is equal to. Python string can be defined with either single quotes, double quotes, or triple quotes. So basically, where let us say a variable name equals string assigns string to variable name. So for example, let us say string 1 equal to hello, which is starting and ended with double quotes. String 2 equals hello, which is represented with just a single quote. String 3 equals triple quotes hello, which is going to give us same answer as hello. So let us see more about this topic, concatenate operator. So basically, two strings can be concatenated or joined using this operator of plus in Python. As explained in below example code, let us say a variable name called uh, hello and a variable name called world. So if we concatenate with using this plus operator, we may get a new string which is going to give us two strings combined, which is basically given in the below example. String 1 equal to hello, represented in double quotes. String 2 equal to world, which is also represented in double quotes, which is actually concatenated by the symbol of plus and using a other variable name called string combined, which is going to give us hello world, which is joined or concatenated as shown in output. So let us dive. So moreover, string repetition operator, which is basically a multiplication symbol in Python. The same string can be repeated in Python by using n times using string multiplied n, as explained in the below example. String 1 equal to hello world, represented in double quotes, print string 1 times 2, print string times 3, print string times 4, which gives us hello world repeated twice in first print statement, hello world repeated 4 times, which is given in second print statement, and the hello world printed 4 times, which is represented in the third print statement. String slicing. So this is a major component of string operations. Basically, every programmer uses this operator to not only access the strings but also to slice them into two halves, either into into symmetrical halves or unsymmetrical halves. So basically, characters from a specific index of a string can be accessed with the string square brackets index. So this is the syntax for string slicing operator. The index is interpreted as a positive index starting from 0 from the left side and a negative index starting from -1 from right side. So basically you can see a format which is given below a string. So A, which basically starts with 0, S starts with 1, and so on. The index starts with 0 to n. But whereas in negative indices, it starts with -1 and ends with -n. So basically, this is like our number line as we keenly observe. So string slicing operations. So string A, which is represented basically in A, returns a character from a positive index A of string from left side as displayed in the index graph above. String index -A, which returns a character from negative index of string. Basically, it gives us the last word of the string from the right side as displayed in index graph above. Returns a character from positive index A to positive index B of as displayed in index graph above. String A colon minus b in square brackets returns characters from positive index A to the negative index B of string as displayed in index graph above. String A colon represented in square brackets returns characters from positive index A to end of string. String B returns characters from start of string to positive index B. String minus A colon represented in square brackets returns characters from negative index and to the end of string. String minus B returns the characters from start of string to negative index of minus B. String string colon minus 1 which is represented in brackets gives us a reverse order. So here is a basic example of string slicing. Let us say we take a variable named and which is equal to a string called hello world. So here are basically the syntaxes for the codes which we use. So the syntax for this code is variable name square brackets start colon end colon step. So this is the basic syntax for string slicing. So coming to string comparisons, the string comparison operator in Python is used to compare two strings. Equal to operator returns boolean true if two strings are same and returns false if two strings aren't the same. Exclamation equal to operator returns boolean true if two strings aren't same and returns false if two strings are same. These operations are mainly used along with conditions to compare two strings where decision is to be taken based on string comparison. So here we can see string 1 equal to hello, string 2 equal to hello world, string 3 equal to hello world again, string 4 equal to world again. So let us say print string 1 equals to string 4, which is false. Basically string 1 is hello and string 4 is world, so the words aren't the same, so it gives a false value. String 2 equal to string 3, this gives us a true value as string 2 and string 3 are the same. So, but string 1 isn't equal to string 4, which is actually true and which gives us a true value. String 2 isn't equal to string 3, which is actually false because they are same. So membership operators in unknotted. These membership operators are basically used in anywhere such as like loops and many other applications, such that one of the application is also in string operations. Membership operator is used to search whether the specific character is part or member of given input. Python string a in string returns boolean true if a is in the string and returns false if a isn't there in the string. A is not in string. Basically it returns boolean true value if there is no value such that no a in string, but returns false if there is a in string. A membership operator is useful to find whether a particular string is present in a string. So here is a code example. Let us say string 1 equal to hello world, print w in string 1 which is actually true, so this returns us a true boolean value. Print w in string 1, so this actually gives us a false value. As we can see, w is capital here, but in string 1 there is no such string as capital W. So if we say print t in string 1 which is actually true, in string 1 which is actually false, as there is no such string as t, but t not in string gives us a true value because there is no such value as true t. So escape sequences, this is one of the main topics which are frequently asked in many CIE papers. So basically escape sequence operator to insert a non-allowed character in a given input string, and an escape character is used. An escape character is a backslash or the symbol represented in the presentation operator followed by a non-allowed character. An example of non-allowed character E in Python string is inserted double quotes in string surrounded by double quotes. You will get an error if you use double quotes inside a string that will surrounded by the double string. So let us see txt equal to double quotes we are the so-called Vikings, which is actually represented in double quotes again from the north, which gives us an error. The escape character allows you to use double quotes when you normally would not allow to. Txt equal to double quotes we are so called backslash Vikings in double double quotes backslash double quotes from the north, ending of double quotes. So the methods of escape sequences are listed below. So backslash single quote ASCII values, and you can see backslash and some of the examples are listed in the presentation. String format. So string formatting operator is used to format a string as per requirement to insert another type of variable along with string. The formatting operator is used along with Python string. Here double quotes percentage is prefixed to another character indicating the type of value we want to insert along with the Python string. Please refer to the below for some of commonly used different strings formatting specifiers. So here are string formats which are frequently used. Some of them are percentage %C for character, percentages, string conversion, and etc. So this is the code example. So name is India, age equal to 19, marks 20.56. So here is a string one saying hey percentage s represented in single quotes percentage name, which is going to give us a joint which is going to give us a joint string saying hey or outputting hey India. String 2 is representing single quote my age is percentage d percentage age. So print string 2 which gives us my age is 19. So thank you all for listening my presentation. So this string slicing is basically used when a user wants to access a particular element and has to do operations in it. So this is an important topic. Please refer to it once more. Thank you.